Hi everybody. Okay, today I am going to do another 12 by 12 wood panel resin and Dutch pour. So I've masked the back. I have my cups. I've already primed my board. And first of all, I'm going to do a flood coat of the white. And if I need all that, I'm going to use a hairdryer to blow it around. Let's get that around the sides. Today I'm going to do really vibrant colours. So I did one before. I'll put a link to my video below that. That was about, I don't know, 3 or 4 videos ago. And I used very pastel colours because I didn't want to mix paint in with the resin because I want the resin to be very fluid. But I've decided that I'm going to go vibrant using paint colours. So I've added acrylic paint. So let me take that glove off and that glove off. All right, so I'm going to begin with red. It's like chili pepper red. And then I have some Prussian Blue. And some bright Fuchsia Pink. And some lime green. Told you I was going bright. And a little gold. And I'm going to put a blob more red in the middle. I want this to be, I'm going to have lots of red. All right, now I'm going to pop the bubbles. Then I'm going to use my heat gun before I use the hairdryer. There's something in there to make the resin much more fluid. And it's going to help pop more bubbles. Right, I'm going to flood around the colours with white resin. I'm going to heat that up. And here goes with the hairdryer. Well, that's certainly got a lot more than the other one had. And I love the way the red and the blue, all the colours look fantastic. I'm going to blow a little bit out. I'm going to use a straw. I think that's gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. So there you have another Resin Dutch pour using more vibrant colours, and I'm going to bring you down for a closer look because the detail is stunning. So thank you so much for watching, and there you have it, a vibrancy. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next vid.